Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the scarf of our lady here, so the veil. So we're going to make her wear this one here, this motif. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So the first step, I select the image of our sister here, and then I'm going to use the lasso tool to select it. So when you are done selecting, you do a copy from this layer. So I select Control and J, so you can see we have it there. So we're not going to end there. We're going again to take this lasso tool of ours and we select the inside part because we want to delete the face. Yeah, when it is selected, you click on backspace or just delete. You can click on backspace to delete it. It is already deleted, as you can see. So to deselect, you can press Ctrl plus D. It is deselected. So now the following step, I am going to save this image that I've cut. I'm going to save it. Sorry, file, save as. Here I write this place. For I have lots of displaces here, so I write displace 4. I will use it. You will see how I will use it. Displace. I save it as a Photoshop project. It is now saved as a Photoshop project. Now let me take my motif, which is here. Let me turn it, Control T. Then I'm going to expand it to the size of this veil. All right. After that, I'm going to transform it into a clipping mask. Create clipping mask. It is here. So you see. So now after here, I am going to look for the other file that I saved. I go to File. I go here to Place Embedded, or maybe we leave there. I can go here to Filter. After Filter, I go to Distort, then Displace. So 10, okay, 10 here, okay. I click OK. Then I'm looking for the other project that I saved. It is here, Displace 4. I click on it, then I open it here. So you see how it is transformed, how it has transformed this motif. Then the next step, I can go here to normal and I say I want it to be applied. You see, this is saturation, this is saturation. So here we are in the linear light. So I can even use linear light. I can use overlay. So we have many options here, so you can pick any of your choice. So darken, dissolve, or multiply. Let me take multiply. I can use multiply. So you see, already we have our sister. We are in a different. I can go here to fill, to reduce the whatever, or to increase it. So depending on your choice. So now you can see we are done. If we try to compare this one with the previous one was this one, and the current one is this one. So this is how you can change someone's veil, scarf, and anything. So please guys, thank you for watching, and may you remember to subscribe for more tutorials.